Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a group for your sports or cultural activities or your kitty parties on XpenseFlow and use it to add people and set up the pool money and track expenses easily. Let's get started. So when you open the XpenseFlow website, you see the home page in which you have two options. Use it for pooled money groups and use it for quick expenses and setting up. So in this video we are going to explore the pooled money groups. So let's get here. So this opens this page. Give a money to your group. Let's say you are a badminton group, so let's say my badminton group, and set the currency. Let's put it on Australian dollars for now, and add the people in your group. And the moment you add the first member, you can see some graphs popping up. Currently they are empty. They start filling up as we add top-ups and expenses. Let's add a few more people. We have now added people. Let's add some expenses. So in a pool money group, people pool money and then spend it. So the way to add top-ups is to select it as a credit and add what is the top-up from each person. Let's say Chiru added $1,000. You can see it starts filling up. Let's add a few more expenses. Let's say Winky also added another $1,000, and Nag added some $1,000. $1,000, and then now that we have the top-up amount, let's just click on save to cloud, and it will generate a link that you can share with each other to start tracking expenses. Now just load the link we are trying to load, and let's see what happens. We can see it loaded the screen with all the details with the top-ups. There is equal share among everyone, and let's add some expenses. Let's say Chiru bought some shuttlecocks and it's paid by Chiru, and he spent like say $100, and it applies to everyone. And click on save. You can see it's calculating the split and how much amount is left by others. And let's say code booking, and it's paid by Winky, and let's say he spent like another $100, and it applies to all. Click on save. Now click save to cloud, and it's saved. So this is a very easy way to track expenses and keep on the top of how much each person spent, and how much is shared by him, and how much money is left. One more easy important feature is, let's say Nag wants to take a break, you can mark him as inactive, and from then on he's exempted from the active members calculations. So we can see it shows the difference between the amount shared by the active members and all members. This way we will know how much money is there, how much money is stuck in the inactive members, how much amount is there among all the members, and you can easily track them. I hope you found this useful, and it helps you to get started with tracking the group expenses of your group. use it and share your valuable feedback and